In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change pronunciation in ElevenLabs. Let's dive right in and make sure you know exactly how to control pronunciation for the most natural and precise speech synthesis possible with ElevenLabs tools. To begin with, open up your web browser. This can be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any browser of your choice. It's important to have a stable internet connection as this process involves using online tools. Once your browser is open, navigate to the ElevenLabs website and log into your account. If you don't have an account already, you will need to create one. Logging in is crucial because it allows you to access all the features and save your progress as you go. For this particular task, ensure that you're using the 11v3 voice design. This version provides advanced functionality and a more extensive range of voice customization options, which gives you the flexibility to craft exactly the sound you're aiming for. Now, let's tackle the core issue. Sometimes a word might not be pronounced just the way you want it. If this happens, a handy trick is to try alternative spellings that more accurately reflect the pronunciation you're trying to achieve. For example, if the word till isn't being pronounced the way you like, you might experiment with spelling it as tail to elongate the E sound, thus emphasizing the pronunciation you're going for. This method can help you tweak the phonetic rendering and nail the exact tonality you're looking for in your audio output. After you've made your adjustments and are satisfied with the spelling modifications, it's time to hear how it sounds. Click on the Generate Speech button. ElevenLabs will then process your text with the new pronunciation adjustments, allowing you to listen to and evaluate the changes. Once you're happy with how the voice sounds for your entire message, you can move on to sharing or downloading your creation. If you want to distribute your work, you may choose Share to post it directly to your desired platform, or Download if you prefer to save it for local use or for integration into your projects later. And there you have it. You've effectively managed to modify pronunciation using ElevenLabs' sophisticated text-to-speech technology. With some practice, these steps will become second nature, and you'll have even more control over the voices in your projects. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope you found this walkthrough practical and informative. Keep experimenting and exploring all the possibilities that ElevenLabs has to offer.